One of the things that inspired me in the design of space, so like there's sweaters and bags and belts, all in these drawers here. So what is that thing? So I knew what I was ordering, and I knew that my legs would slide up. It's not a very big kitchen. It's not very big. When I'm done, it's a purchased it from her, and again, it's one of those things that I decided in a bunch of different ways. We took down a single row of cabinets and took them all the way to the ceiling.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
beautiful spaces, beautiful aesthetics. I turned that, my love for